Understanding, running on empty, a deep dive into English idioms. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, running on empty. This idiom is commonly used in English, and understanding it can really help in grasping the nuances of the language. Let's dive in. Running on empty is an idiom that originally comes from the automotive world. It refers to a situation where a vehicle is operating with very little fuel left. However, in everyday English, it is used metaphorically to describe a person who is continuing to operate despite being out of energy or resources. It's often used to express physical or emotional exhaustion, like working long hours without rest. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. After working 3 jobs, I'm just running on empty. Here, it means the person is extremely tired from overworking. 2. Towards the end of the marathon, I was running on empty, but I pushed through to the finish line. In this case, it indicates pushing oneself despite being exhausted. This idiom has been popularized through various forms of media. For example, music. The song, Running on Empty, by Jackson Browne uses this phrase to describe a life lived on the move without stopping for rest. Movies and TV shows. Characters might say they are running on empty to express their fatigue or lack of resources. Using running on empty in conversation can add a layer of expressiveness. It's suitable in informal settings and can be used to express your own state of exhaustion, show empathy towards someone who's tired or overworked. I hope this video has helped you understand the idiom, running on empty. Remember, idioms like this are a great way to add color to your English and connect with native speakers on a deeper level. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using English idioms with ease. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the fascinating world of English language learning.